Hello, in this video I will show you how to open a door by using any key in the keyboard. So let's get started. First of all, let's run the game and see how it looks. So this is the game. I press any key in the keyboard, E or F or anything, it's not going to open. So let's create the script. You will find the script down below in the description. Now let's get started by create the hinge, because if I want to rotate this door, see what's gonna happen. So if I rotate it in the y direction, it's going to rotate from the middle or in the center of the door. So let's get it back to 0. So first of all, I should create the hinge by click the right bottom and add 3D object and add a cube. We're gonna call it hinge. After that, let's place it in the right position. Now let's scale it and in the Z axis and put it in the right of the door position. After I create the hinge, put the door inside the hinge. You drag it in the hinge. Now let's rotate the hinge. If I rotate it, you will see it's going to rotate in one side, the side that we put the hinge. So let's put everything in the origin to 0. Now let's create the animation. First of all, go to the hinge and add component animation. After that, this is the animation. Okay. After that, go to the three dots here and add tab and add animation if you don't find it here. So let's go to the animation, click on the hinge, and let's create animation. We call it open door, then save. Now click on the enable and disable keyframe recording mode. The first thing, the door should be in the beginning position. So it should be closed like this, but it's not gonna record it here. So to record it here, the keyframe here, we add a number here, then put it in the beginning, in the 0. So write 1 and then write 0. You will find it added the key. Now go to the minute. Let's say we wanted to open it in 1 second. So go to the 1 second and rotate it by any number you want. So let's say 90 degrees. Okay. So when we play, we'll find it's going to open like this. Now let's run the game and see what's happened. Okay, you'll find the door like this. You'll find the door like this. So we should put the animation here that we created, that we called open door. So click in the three dots. If you find it like that, if you find the scene, go to the assets and make it small. Then go and find the open door. Double click. Now if we run the game, we will find it like this. We will find open like this. You will find open because uh, it uh, rotated by itself. So let's say put this. Let's see. When we open the game, you will find the door open by itself. So now let's create a script. But before we go to the script, go back to the hinge again and click on this right arrow, and let's see another time how it's look. You will find it's not going to open. So it's not going to open because it's open by itself, because it's open automatically. Now we go to the project and add the script. Create a folder called script. How to create a folder? Click right click in the mouse, then create folder, then go to the script. After that, right click and create C# script, and let's call it hinge door. Open the script. So, and go to the description down below and copy this code and put it here. But we should change something. The script should be the name as this name, hinge door. So we will rename this to hinge door. It should be the same. This one, hinge door. This should be hinge door. This door, this should be door. Any name, this should be the name. All, or the script is not going to work. Now click on Control S to save, then close. Wait a few seconds. Now go to the hinge and add the script in the hinge like this, and put the hinge here, and let's play the game. It's not going to work. I will tell you why. So if I click E, because the script, if you see the script, if we click on E, the door is gonna have the door is going to work. So if I click E, it's not, nothing happened. So we should do a few steps more. By going to the hinge here, add the box collider, or if you find the box collider, click on the edit collider and edit like this. Make it a little bit big, and this should be is trigger. Now the door should be open. Now we go to the door and press E, the door open. Yeah. So how to make this hinge disappear? We click on mesh render. It's going to disappear. Now let's run the game, and you will find the door open by using E key. So go to the next door and press E, the door open. If you press E, the door is going to, because we created the animation like this. We can fix this thing by going to the animation and going here. The door open like this, and if I press the E again, it's going to rotate like this again. So how to make it back to beginning? So let's put it here and add another keyframe here and click 0. Now let's run the game. So I click E. Oh, it's too fast. It's too fast. So let's go to the hinge again. And create this. Let's move these keys a little far away. And 1 second, and let's play. I come next to the door, click E, I go inside, then it's going to open. I click A, I go, then it's going to close. And this is the lesson of today. I hope you enjoy this lecture. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and add like button, and peace.